truck turn. Now Pascal has ruined my life. The Warriors are not going to be fighting on their rights. Their rights are just going to be distorted when they see the new ones and the improvements. Not things, because I never ever have a true friend by my side. Not a true friend, because a true friend never leaves a story. And here I return. I gotta tell you a long story. Once I was a little kid, I was reading all these stories, and these stories had to be ending with the night. And that's why, if there's no love stories, they don't know how you can save your whole life from danger. That's how you roll with it. You roll with it because every time you roll with it, you roll with it, and this game is faster and faster and faster. What's your beat? Your beat, it's getting bigger and bigger, and memories are getting destroyed by the monster. The monster truck is doing his own thing, and I didn't even know that. But I need you to do this for me. Cause I love this thing. My story was not returning. Now I gotta continue the story with the super team brats of theirs. Okay, so we're on the kid contest? Come on, everyone. Let's just wait up. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Come on, guys. Let's play it simple. Let's play a simple game that's not dangerous at all. What is a game? A game supposed to be called something, you know, some courage? Yeah, some courage. I'm doing this for you, so you won't die and be dead. It's love story. Has to be about. Has to be about my friend. You really mean it? Yeah, I really mean it. I could save you a lot of injury, and now, and a lot of injury can stomp 6 extra power from me, and you too. So, you're saying everything's okay, but everything is not okay for us? Yeah, it's just not the same. Not the same thing at all. Wait, you have thinking something I ever have. The best friend I ever heard of. And I want to show you something that doesn't work on wheels. What's going on? It's like they lost their memory or something? Yeah, friends didn't lost their memories before, and that's only believable in their love and thinking. Look, guys, look out. Lucy, look it. Remember we get a date? That monster truck was following us? Remember that date? I remember it, but you would cheat on me, so I'm not cowering. Fine. Or your pet can do it. I don't think this is a good idea. Uh, she's right. It's not a good idea. But the story doesn't get even longer and longer after they get shorter. I returned, and you didn't know how they get warmer and warmer. The stinger has the beat of the drum. What are you saying? I don't know what the fluffy furry got to say to you. You have the right thing to say that. That's what I think you're gonna say next. But that was nothing but a thing, but just this. This story had to be ending with the story we can continue in our next episode of this freedom, deeding, greatest of the bestest. And imagine yourselves. Kids, what was that?